Do you live in a small space with no property to speak of? Welcome to the simple world of indoor composting. You can still transform your everyday kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost. You only need a small compost bin or tumbler, soil, and kitchen scraps. We'll also use some shredded newspaper to keep things balanced and odor-free. To set up your bin, start with a layer of soil, add your kitchen scraps, and then some shredded newspaper. This simple layering helps prevent odors and kickstarts the composting process right in your kitchen. The secret to keeping your compost odor-free? Balance. A good mix of kitchen scraps, your greens, and brown materials like newspaper keeps your compost smelling fresh. Keep the lid on, and you'll forget it's even there. Give your compost a quick stir every few days to aerate it, and if it looks dry, a light mist of water will do the trick. That's it! Composting indoors is hassle-free and keeps your kitchen waste to a minimum. After a few weeks, your reward is nutrient-rich compost. Use it for your houseplants, boosting their growth naturally. Thanks so much for joining us today. Starting a composting journey enriches your garden and our planet. Turning waste into treasure is a great way to harness the environmental benefits. We'd love to hear your composting stories and tips. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's learn from each other. If you found value in this composting guide, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us grow this community. Craving more gardening wisdom? Stay tuned for additional tips and tutorials. Together, we can cultivate a greener world.